Ano nga, it's been a while since nung last video ko, Pokemon PH pa yata yung last upload ko dito, and nabisi tayo eh. So, for today's video, mag-open naman tayo ng newest set ng Japanese Pokemon cards this holiday season, which is yung kanilang Terastral Festival. So, not just one yung open natin, kundi 2 booster boxes ng kanilang special set. So, hunt natin si Evolutions SAR and including the God Pack. So ano pang hinihintay natin? Let's go! So here we are. Ito yung ating 2 booster boxes ng bagong set ng Japanese Pokemon cards, which is yung Terastral Festival. So bago tayo magsimula, let's open other sets like this one. Itong Shrouded Fable Mini Tins. So, na-release to way months ago. Bago. Matagal-tagal na din siyang na-release. So, ito yung kanyang contents ng Mini Tins. We have the art card, Pheasant Deputy art card, and then the stickers. Sticker lang. Sticker ng Pheasant Deputy, and 2 packs ng Shrouded Fable. And as you can see, damn, boss na siya. I don't know if is this resealed or not, pero yung isa hindi. So let's try this. Itong bukas na to, kung resealed ba siya or hindi. Medyo sketchy yung ating panimula. So here's your code card for the Shrouded Fable, and one from the back to the front. We have Dark Energy, Houndour, Sidra, Eevee, Croagunk, Crobat, Academy at Night, Genesect, Binding Mochi reverse. Ganito yung reverse sa Shrouded Fable. And we have Joltik reverse, and then Blood Moon Ursaluna holo. Medyo sketchy dahil damn, nakaganito na siya. I don't know if kusa lang siya bumukas. I don't know din kung resealed to. Probably baka yung isang pack lang na yun. So let's check this another one if resealed ba. So ngayon ko lang na-encounter yung packs na yun sa tins. So I guess hindi to resealed tong isa. So let's try this one. Kung meron ba tayo makukuha. Here's your code card for the Shrouded Fable, and one from the back to the front. We have Psychic, Houndoom, Rowlet, Fraxure, Persian, Curem, Academy at Night, Weavile, Dusknoir reverse, and Yveltal reverse, and then we have a Cresselia holo. So medyo sketchy yung nabuksan natin Mini Tins ng Shrouded Fable. Medyo sketchy ako dun. Anyways, let's try and open this. 1 booster box muna tayo ng Terastral Festival. So I hope pull tayo ng God Pack ng Evolutions SAR. So in this box ng Terastral Festival is guarantee ka at least 1 na special art rare. Either 1 or pwedeng maging 2. So nasa na yung ating cutter.
A few moments later.
So yun na nga, guarantee ka per box ng isang SAR, and pwedeng magdalawang SAR and chance of God Pack. So dito din sa set na to, meron din silang Pokeball reverse and then Master Ball reverse. So yun namang Master Ball reverse is not guaranteed in the box. Guarantee ka lang ng 3 Pokeball reverse. So pag naging 3 Pokeball reverse na yung card mo sa box, hindi ka na magkakaroon ng Master Ball. And chance na lang doon is yung God Pack and another SAR. So we have 10 booster packs. So sa isang booster box meron ka lang 10 booster packs ng Terastal Festival. Parang V-Star Universe. Yan. Yung kanilang dating special set is yung V-Star Universe. Guarantee ka din ng hits. So sa kada pack ng Terastal Festival is guarantee ka ng regular EX and then mga holos. Ayun. And then ano pa ba? So, meron tayong dalawang klaseng God Pack dito sa set. Ang una natin is yung Demigod Pack, which is it has only 3 SARs and then the rest is Pokeball Reverse. So, chance din daw na mag Master Ball. And then, so, ang unang ano nun is common, then the rest is Pokeball Reverse, and then the SAR. So, the first pack, we have Aegislash, Alakazam, and then, ayan, ang ating guarantee na regular EX, Dragapult EX. Ayan. So, na-release to nung December 6. And then, ang counterpart natin dito sa English is, which is yung Prismatic Evolution na darating sa January 17th. So, another special set din yun darating sa January 6. And, ito na yung sinasabi natin na Pokeball Reverse. Golden Pokeball Reverse. Nice. And we have the Gouging Fire. Regular EX. So, meron na tayong unang Pokeball Reverse. So, let's try in our pang ilan na to? Pang third pack. Third pack natin. So, let's try and hope we pull an Evolutions SAR. So, ito yung EV SARs. May dalawang EV SARs dito and then mga Evolutions. So, ayan. Cornerstone, Ogarpon. So, itong set na to is all about reprints ng mga playable cards, ng mga dating sets, and then yung mga playable na trainer. So, as you can see, may makikita kayong mga familiar na mga cards sa ibang set. So, ito na yung pangalawa nating Pokeball. Si Crispin, Pokeball Reverse. And then, Monkey Dory. Yan. Monkey Dory sa Shrouded Fable. So, let's try our lucks dito sa pang 5 pack. Wala pa yung guarantee SAR natin. So, I hope bigyan tayo kahit na anong Evolutions SAR. Kahit na anong Evolutions. Like this one. Espeon Master Ball lang. Masaya na tayo. So, we have Eevee, the Dunsparce, Vaporeon Holo, and nice, Umbreon. Umbreon EX. We have Umbreon EX. Nasa na yung SAR natin. So, 6 pack ng Terastal Festival. So, 4 from the back to the front. We have Bidoof. Okay. Garbodor, Swirlix, Snorlant. Zoroark Holo. We have Relicanth Holo. And we have Hydropple EX. Di pa nagpapakita ng ating guarantee SAR. Sana makapull tayo ng God Pack. Okay. God Pack. We have Kadabra, Crispin, Bianca. Okay. Duraludon, Grookey. Hindi ko kalala. Tinglu. Ooh, nice! When we have for our first SAR, EV. Nice. Ang ganda, grabe. I mean, it's not my first time na makita tong EV na to, but damn. Our first SAR Evolutions, EV. And Dragapult. Where's my sleeves? Gosh. So, mayroon na natin sleeves yan. So, last 3 packs. So, Ang nasa natin is Master Ball and another SAR. So possible kasi dito sa set na to mag double SAR or may isa pa siyang kasamang SR, Full Art Trainer. And we have the A-Spec Prime Catcher, and then ayan. So usually ayan talaga, mga reprint sila ng mga dating sets. So I don't know if ganito yung mangyayari sa English set nila, yung Prismatic Evolutions. And so far nagkakaubusan ng stocks kahit pre-order pa lang ng Prismatic Evolutions. So sana makakuha tayo ng boxes ng Prismatic Evolution. And we have on to the last pack natin. Last pack, Magic. Sana maka-God pack tayo. God pack please, or Master Ball Evolutions. So ayan na, Luxurious Cape, Full Trio, Miraidon, Zeraora, and we have our Pokeball na Thwackey. So di tayo nabiyayaan na, and Jolteon, nice. So di tayo nabiyayaan ng Master Ball, so hindi siya guarantee sa isang box. So ang guarantee natin ay isang SAR. So ang SAR dito sa box na to ay sa set ay napakadami. So no ARs na tayo dito. Ang pumalit sa ARs is which is yung mga Pokeball reverse.
Okay.
So I'm back. Boom, kumuha mo lang ako ng sleeves para sleeves natin yung EV natin. Grabe, napakaganda ng EV. And it has a good centering pa. So second box, let's see if makakuha tayo ng God pack, and hopefully sana Evolutions SAR. So napakadaming mga reprint dito ng mga SAR like Ogre Pons, what do you call that? Roaring Moon. Ayan. Yung mga reprints galing iba't ibang set. So first pack Magic natin. Ng second box we have Dracloak, Garbodor, Crispin, Bianca, Wogtrio, Alakazam, Iron Thorns, and Dragapult. Another Dragapult EX. Dragapult EX. So second pack ng ating box. Let's see if mabibiyayaan tayo ng another Evolutions SAR. And we have Flareon, and our first Pokeball, Ogre Smash, and Vezon DPT EX. So third pack Magic ng ating box. So 4 from the back to the front. We have Binding Mochi ko yun. And Blood Moon Ursaluna, Iron Bonnet, Brook Bonnet, and Kiran SAR Trainer. Nice, not bad for the box hit. I hope sana meron pa tayong Evolutions SAR. Sana magkaroon pa tayo ng double box heater. Shems. Oh my god, nagpakita agad yung ating SAR. So I hope this box gives us God pack. Yun lang yung hinihiling natin. Teka. Okay, going back, we have our Master Ball Gible. Not bad. Master Ball Gible. Nice. And Goldengo, the Chistex. So our first Master Ball, si Gible. So I hope mayroon tayong God pack. So kahit demigod pack lang, okay na. Like, kasi may at least 3 evolutions doon. And another Umbreon. Nice. Ang kate. Another Umbreon EX. So, dito ba snibs? Mamaya na. Medyo nawawala na tayo ng pag-asa dahil lumabas na yung SAR and another Master Ball. Chance ng God Pack is very very low lang. So I hope this last pack gives us another SAR or either the God Pack. Kahit anong God Pack lang. Demi God Pack or the God Pack. Ooh. It's over. Okay, not bad. For our box heater, Iron Valiant SAR. So double box heater nga tayo. Not the one we wanted, pero not bad for our box heater. At least may isa tayong evolution, which is the EV. And I guess ang chance na lang talaga natin is the God Pack na ibibigay sa atin ng last 2 packs, and we have the Prime Catcher and then the Gouging Fire. Last 2 packs ng ating box, and I hope sana bigyan tayo ng God Pack. So no God Pack for this pack, so I hope bigyan tayo ng Pokeball Reverse na evolutions. And we have the Ogerpon. Last pack magic. Please give us the Umbreon. Kahit yun lang, okay na. Grabe yung Umbreon dito. Pumalo agad ng around $300. And sadly, we don't have the God Pack. So last pack magic. We hope we pull Pokeball. Pokeball na Earthen Vessel, and then the Monkey Dory. Oh my god. At I guess magaan pa tayo ulit ng another boxes, pero not bad for our pulls. We have 2 booster box hit, which is yung Iron Valiant EX, and then yung ating Kiran. What do you call that? Kiran SAR? Is this Kiran? Kapatid ni... anong pang tawag ito? Hindi ko kilala. I forgot. And then the Master Ball. Master Ball Gible. Not bad. So sa isang box, meron tayong 3 biggest hitters of the box. And sa unang box natin is maganda. Yeah, nice. We pull our one of the chase cards, which is yung EV SAR. Not bad.